Hello everyone, I hope everyone is watching here today is having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get straight into this video. These nails looked simple enough in my head, so I thought about giving it a try. I started off by applying 2 layers of rubber base coat, and I'm using 𝒔𝒐𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒔 tips from Blingo. They don't have a high C curve, which makes them look a bit bulky. It's easy to get them to look bulky if you are not careful. So okay, I chose the sizes and I thought the length was too long, so I cut it up down just a bit, not too much. And then I shaped the sides, file off the sides, just to have a perfect straight shape. And then I went in with 1 layer of, first I buff them, and then I go in with a layer of base coat, 1 layer, and a layer of the sticky bond that is recommended to apply before you apply polygel. That actually helps. That helps with the adhesion of the polygel onto the nail, and it lasts long. I am using Smoo polygel. It is a beautiful, a lovely pink. You will see for yourself. I am going to be trying the V-shaped Frenchies. I never do a V-shaped Frenchie that ever comes out to my satisfaction, and it actually makes me mad, but it's the kind of makes me mad that I want to keep trying until I get it right. So this time I actually got it right. It worked out this way. Whatever it was that I kept missing, I'll tell you a little bit about it further ahead, but this time I got it right. Whatever it was that was frustrating me, I got it right. Well, I might as well tell you what it is. What I realized actually is that I never used to build the Frenchie up high enough. You know what I mean? Make it bulky so that it's high enough. That was the trick I think I kept missing, and I kept either leaving out or didn't realize that was the problem. I did it this time and it worked like I'm saying, yeah. But yeah, I still found something to mess up. I still found something that made me go, damn it, it's not 100% yet. Okay, I'll show you what that is. But anyway, I was very happy with the Frenchies and how they came out, and the sizes and the shapes. I will come back in a bit later. You can carry on watching and you'll see that they are quite bulky, quite high. That is a pretty pink, huh? I love it. I'm loving it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the hand file, and I'm going to perfect and make the V shape nice and crisp and straight. While I'm doing this, I'm bearing in mind the mistake I made in my very first try, is that while you're filing, you mustn't rest the nail file onto the nail tip while you're filing, because it can create a hole. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So that's why my nail file keeps slipping up. It slips upwards because I'm trying not to press or rest my hand onto the nail tip. I hope you get that, or you understood what I'm trying to explain. Okay, let's carry on watching. Okay, everything is going well so far. I'm happy. I'm very excited because everything is going well up to this point. I don't know why I decided to do an ombre effect here. I should have just left it over here, just painting the purple gel onto the Frenchie and leave it as it is. But no, I really have no idea where this came from, and I regret it. I wish I didn't do it. But here I decide, let me just spread the purple a little bit onto the nail, and it will have an ombre-ish look. And big mistake. I shouldn't have done that. That's all I can say. That's where I messed this whole thing up for me. But maybe somebody else would actually be happy or be satisfied and content with the ombre look. But to me, I wanted it to be like the way I had it in my head. I don't know where this improvisation came in. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, let me know if you think the ombre is fine and if I'm just overthinking it, or I really did mess it up, like I am saying. And speaking of you letting me know, I want to thank you guys for letting me know in my videos how I do and what you think about my videos, and what maybe you can suggest, or if I asked a question, by the way, what's the name of this thing, you guys come through for me. I want to say thank you to everybody who's always clicking on the like button and commenting, leaving comments for me, and watching my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, can you do so? I think by now we are well acquainted. You can now click on the subscribe button. Okay, I will let you watch the rest of this for now, and then I'll come back in with the last bit. So for the clear area part of the nail, I wanted it to be the clear pink that you saw from the poly gel. But I didn't know that I only had that little bit of clear poly gel left. So I only managed to use it on my pinky and on my thumb. And for the three middle fingers, which is the index, middle finger, and the ring finger, I used clear. I had to improvise. It didn't turn out so good, and I think next time, before I make any designs or any nail set, I better check if I have enough of everything. Lesson learned again. Okay, sorry. They're gonna look a little crazy and bulky, but the filing part is going to be the fun part. Oh my god, they are hella bulky, chunky, and heavy. um, but they not as heavy as acrylic nails if I had to be using acrylic, but they are quite heavy for what they are. Anyway, filing them now and watching them come alive is like the best part for me right now, because in my previous experiences when I'm filing down the nail, you know, taking down the bulk, that's where I'm expecting to see the beauty come together, you know, and then that's where my mistakes get enhanced, you can, or what you say, magnified, because then I can see that my nail, the line, the V line that I was trying to make is not straight, it's so crooked. And yeah, it's because I wouldn't have built the V shape high enough so that when I file the nail down, there's enough. I know you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I know you guys. I won't put you through that. Anyway, this filing and shaping of, oh, look at that. I only show you the thumb. Don't worry about it. I only show you the thumb. But the last thing I do for this set, I go in with some complimentary bling bling that will look perfect for this color. Let me know what you think again. And that's it for this video. So until we meet here again, my good people, I pray that you all have yourselves great days further. Don't sweat the small stuff, and this too shall pass. Don't forget the fun fact coming up ahead. Oh my, how beautiful. I love these. I love how they came out. I tried to overlook the ombre, but I love this. I love this set. I love everything about it. Well, except for that part. Okay, let's end the video with a fun fact. There is a genetic mutation that causes some frogs and toads to grow eyes on the roof of their mouth rather than on the top of their heads. Spooky, creepy. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care. Subscribe.